we're gonna make some Peach Bourbon Glazed Ribs. We're gonna start by preheating our Blackstone Pellet Grill to 250 degrees. While that preheats, I'm gonna prep 3 racks of ribs. After removing the membrane on the back, I'm gonna smother them in some regular yellow mustard. I'm gonna use this as a binder for our seasoning. Then I'm gonna coat these ribs in some kind of barbecue seasoning. Here I am using the Meat Church Gospel all-purpose rub. You can use whatever rub you prefer. I'm gonna cover them all over on both sides, letting that mustard help the seasoning stick. Then I'm gonna place these right on the pellet grill and let them cook for about 3 hours. After about 3 hours, I'm going to go ahead and prep some aluminum foil. You can also use butcher paper for this. I am going to use butcher paper for one of them. We're going to just put some pads of butter down. And then I'm going to remove my rack of ribs and place it meat side down on that butter. And I'm going to wrap them really good in that aluminum foil. Again, you can do the same process wrapping them in butcher paper as well. Then I'm going to place them right back on the smoker and let them go for about another 2.5 to 3 hours. Right before it's time to pull them off, I'm going to prep a large pan with a cup of sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to do an entire can, juice and all, of sliced peaches. I'm going to do about a half of this jar of peach preserves or peach jelly. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to finish that all off with some bourbon. I had these Jack Daniel's apple bourbon sample bottles sitting around, so I'm just going to use those. I'm going to use about 2 of those bottles. Then if you want, you can add a little kick with some hot sauce. I just have some sriracha here. I'm just going to throw a little bit of that in there. I'm going to give all of that a good mix. And I'm even going to chop those canned peaches up a little bit so they're smaller. Then I'm going to pull my ribs off and let them start to rest for a little bit. And in that space I just made in my pellet grill, I'm going to place this pan of bourbon peach glaze and let that just heat up for just about maybe 10 minutes. Once that's had a chance to heat up and get all melty and syrupy, I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to unwrap my racks of ribs. These are super tender now and they're ready to go. We just want to finish them off in this glaze for a few minutes just so that they become nice and sticky and delicious. So I'm going to rub each of these racks of ribs in that glaze, get them nice and smothered, and then I'm going to place that pan back on our pellet grill for about another 30 minutes. And then that's it. Pull them off. These will be some of the most tender and delicious ribs you will ever taste. Perfect for a nice hot summer day. These were just falling off the bone. Delicious. Give them a try. Let me know if you do. Till next time, thanks for watching.